Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can remove your facial verification on Binance. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go on your Binance account and click on the Binance icon. When you do that, you will see this settings menu. Now what you have to do is you have to click on user profile in this interface. When you click on user profile, you will see this. Now, when you click on security, click on security, you will find all of these. Now, you must be wondering you can't see the facial verification. Basically, facial verification is the passkeys in biometric. Now, when you click on that, you will be able to now add a passkey and then you can turn off the facial verification. So, thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.